Alright guys, how's it going? Alright, so I'm in Marikina, Malanday, Philippines here, and I wanted to show you guys something. This river is flooding, and it always floods. And the townsfolk, and the townsfolk come down here and check out its levels to determine what's going on, how the flooding is going to take place, where it's going to come from, and they take this very seriously. Because this area here was flooded, last month?
Yes.
July 7.
No, just last week.
Last week, sorry. This place was 3 feet of water, right?
Yes.
About 3 to 4 feet of water. My friend here is explaining to me what's going on. And this flooding, they dug this out, didn't they? Didn't they dig this out last year or the year before?
Yes, and they made a wall to prevent...
So they built a dike, and the dike is right here. And they extended the dike. So what they're doing is they're trying, hi, how are you? So the townsfolk come out all day.
How old are you?
I'm an old man. So everybody comes out, and on an hourly basis, you come out here, you see all different people coming out to see the river and see if it's gonna be mean. I'm an old man, kid.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Nothing. I'm just checking this place out. So tell me about this river. Are you guys scared of this water?
Yes, it's a water.
Are you scared of it?
I'm scared, but it's the water.
Going up?
My best friend.
It's your friend.
Oh yes.
But what about the flooding?
Well, the flooding in the pool is money.
Okay. So it brings money and joy, I guess. But anyways, I just wanted to report this to you guys because it's very interesting how people come out and check this place out, and they're worried. I know a lot of people are coming out to see, engage. Very interesting, culturally. Do those houses up there get affected?
What?
Those houses up there, do they get affected by the water?
Probably not.
They're too high, right?
Yeah.
And this is like I guess this is a floodplain, right? This is like below that level there. So if the water picks up in there, it goes out of control, right? Right?
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Mike.
Oh.
Yeah. So
delicious. What are you doing here?
I'm checking out the water.
Where's your house?
It's over there somewhere, hiding. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to bring this up to you guys so you guys could see it. And do you think it's gonna flood again?
Yes.
When?
Probably later night.
Tonight?
Yes.
Oh wow. Okay, well, I'll keep you guys posted and reported on this. Very interesting, culturally, how things are always different in different places. Mike Martin, I have spoken. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.